all accessible by foot?
Not really. You could hike partway up the valley, but not back into here. It's too far. Now, in just a minute here, though, you'll start seeing some structures. The trails just don't go all the way to the very back, that's all. Now, the Hawaiians, once upon a time, they did live in these valleys, and a lot more than you'd guess, too. There was a lot of people back in here. Nowadays, they're mostly empty. It's just too difficult to access, you know. Depends on the valley. The Waipio Valley, which we'll see at some point during our adventures here, it does still have some people living in it, but not nearly as many as there once were. So in evidence, when the Hawaiians were here full time, these trails. Look up on the cliff to the right.
That's amazing.
Yeah. Couple of cabins down there.
There's some structures below us.
Did you see it?
What are those cabins for?
Well, actually, those cabins are owned by the water company, which is a little weird sounding, but back in the early 1900s, they drilled a tunnel between the bottom of this valley where the river is to the town of Hawaii at the northwest corner of the island for water. They wanted the water out of the bottom of the valley, so they drilled this tunnel. Now, they still use it all the way to this day, but it needs a lot of maintenance, and they got to send workers, you know, all the way through that tunnel. Both ends, the dam, everything, and it's so far out here, they built those cabins for them to stay while they're doing their work. Although I heard part of that system got destroyed from, we had a landslide just a couple months ago, and I don't know how much of it was destroyed, but what was, they're not going to fix it. Because landslides happen, you can see. Occasionally, you know, if that comes crashing down on their water system, that's a heck of a mess, you know. Pololu Valley ends, you can see over there on the left where the cars are, and there's one house. That's the end of the road in Pololu Valley. From there, you got to hike if you want to come out and see any of this. Anyway, North Kohala Sea Cliffs, definitely my favorite coastline on the island. Let's go take a look. There's a whale under our nose.
Yeah, I see him. It's like 1 o'clock, 1:30.
We're going to be touching down in just a moment. When we do land, please don't operate the doors. Let me take care of the doors for you. And also keep headsets on for just a second after landing. I'll be back with you in just a second. Welcome to Laupahoe Hainu in Honolulu Falls. You see my landing pegs? Should be one there and one here, right?